Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification at first. In this video, I will be talking about top 3 vitamin C serum under rupees 300. Yes, you heard it right, under rupees 300. And these serums work best for all skin types, and I will obviously go detailed into this video that how you should use a vitamin C serum and what are the brands are here include. So let's just tune into the video. So let's just start the video with our first product, that is Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Serum. Okay. So first I want to just read out all the benefits that are already written over here, and all the other details are already written here. Okay, so first I will be reading out the benefits. Infused with the skin restoring property of vitamin B3, this serum improves the appearance of enlarged pores and treated uneven skin tone, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. Also rich in vitamin C, it stimulates collagen production to give you a brighter, youthful complexion. Okay. So what we understood from this, that this is mainly a serum that contains mainly vitamin 3 and vitamin C. Okay, so this is the bottle from inside. So first I will share my own experience. What I experienced in this serum is that when I applied it, I felt like a slight tingling sensation in my face, and I really got scared that I never felt such a tingling sensation with any of the products earlier. But I was like, okay, let's see for 2 days, and after 2 days and after not on 2 days, 3 days or more, I just saw a visible difference in my skin. I am having acne marks all over here and in forehead also, and I visibly saw the reduction of those spots in just 3 days. I used to use the serum at the night time only, not in the daytime, because I have heard that vitamin C makes our skin more sensitive to the UV rays. And it's really not a sponsored video, and I'm telling that it really works on acne scars and pigmentation. I really do not know about the enlarged pores because I do not have that, and my mom also didn't see any difference in the pores reduction or what they are telling. But yeah, but the acne scar and the hyperpigmentation can be really combated by this product. Now I will show you the texture of this product in my hand. So it is the product. You can see the difference. You can really see the difference, how glowing it is. Moreover, you have seen the texture. Okay, means that this serum can be used by oily skin also. It's so fluid that it's not at all, just see, it's not, it just vanishes into your skin like heaven. And after 5 minutes you will feel that nothing is on your skin but really a glowing one, and the name it is given to it, that is skin glow serum, it's just perfectly suits it. So from my side it's a 4 out of 5 rating, and you can obviously buy for it if you have a low budget. It's really not a sponsored video, and I'm telling that it really works on acne scars and pigmentation. I really do not know about the enlarged pores because I do not have that, and my mom also didn't see any difference in the pores reduction or what they are telling. But yeah, but the acne scar and the hyperpigmentation can be really combated by this product. Now I will show you the texture of this product in my hand. So it is the product. you can see the difference. You can really see the difference how glowing it is. Moreover, you have seen the texture. Okay, means that this serum can be used by oily skin also. It's so fluid that it's not at all, just see, it's not, it just vanishes into your skin like heaven. And after 5 minutes you will feel that nothing is on your skin but really a glowing one, and the name it is given to it, that is skin glow serum, it's just perfectly suits it. So from my side it's a 4 out of 5 rating, and you can obviously buy for it if you have a low budget. Next on our list we have a NY based serum. It is the 20% vitamin C serum, timeless as Times Square. You can see the packaging. Okay, so here it is written 20% vitamin C serum. 20% is a really high rate for a acid based product. If you are a beginner or you are a teenager, you will be really not required a 20% serum. But one thing I need to mention here, that I am really very much skeptical about that if it's really a 20% serum or what, because the price range is only 325, and I really do not think that in 325 they can give us 20% of vitamin C product. So I will really not go through that, because the ingredient list, the first ingredient is only mentioned as ascorbic acid, that means vitamin C, and after that sodium hyaluronate, ferulic acid, vitamin C, and butynyl glycol. So yes, these are the only key ingredients written. And you can see one thing I need to tell you, that just see the packaging. You can see a brownish layer on the packaging. One thing I need to just clear it off, that I have heard that vitamin C or any acid based things shouldn't be kept in a transparent bottle like this, but NYB serums are coming in this packagings only. So they have given a transparent packaging only, so I really do not know that why. So after that, I think it's the fault of the packaging only. You can see a brownish layer here. Okay, and I really do not know that if the product was good at all when I used it, and from the beginning also it is like this only, and it's like, you can see in the bottle also that it's brownish, under also it's brownish. I have finished the serum. Okay, after using this, I really didn't see much difference, that in the third day only you will see the difference, but yes, you will see the difference after 1 week, and I am guaranteeing it, because after 1 week this also just faded away, my acne marks and the pigmentation around my lips. So talking about my experience using this serum is that it's moreover like a vitamin C serum only, but I do not think that it contains 20% of the vitamin C or ascorbic acid at its as it claims, and the texture is also the same like normal vitamin C. You can see it glides on so fast, and the same glow you can see. But the main thing is that it will give you a result after some time, means after using 1 week or so it's like a normal vitamin C serum that you can use. So this serum can be also be used if you are from oily skin family, and it priced at rupees 325 for 30 ml product, which is a quite good amount for using in a daily basis. So I will give this NYB Timeless at Times Square 20% vitamin C serum 3 star out of 5. So the next product in our list is the Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin E Age Defying Serum. It just claims that this serum stimulates collagen production and protects the skin from pollution. Vitamin E helps in fight the free radical to prevent wrinkles and fine lines for a youthful looking glow. Okay, so the main motive of this serum is to give you a youthful glow by just combating with the wrinkles and age defining properties. But this thing I want to suggest you that if you are from a oily skin family, please use it in a winter time because it's very much moisturizing. As you can see from the ingredients that it's made up of vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of the best moisturizing agent ever found. So it contains vitamin C, and if you see the texture, you can see it's taking much time to glide on as it is a moisturizing one. But as it contains vitamin C, it's also not clog pouring. So as you can see from the glow that it's also giving a very nice glow to your skin. But the main thing is that it's a little bit more moisturizing than the other two serums that I have other two serums in this video. That means it if you are from oily skin family, please use it in the winter time, or you can also use it in the summer time, but skip the moisturizer because that can clog your pores more. But one thing I want to clear it out that it will not trigger your acne because it contains vitamin C. That's why the effect of vitamin E is very much more less than the vitamin C, which just help you to give a youthful glow. And my experience in this serum is like normal moisturizing serum. I really do not see any of the vitamin C properties in this serum. The other two serums shown me some of the properties, but this serum really do not show me that much of vitamin C properties, but it's really very much moisturized. If you want a normal serum with the moisturizing effect, it's really very good. But if you are looking for a vitamin C specific serum that will just combat with your pigmentation, your acne scars and your hyperpigmentation and that, then you should give the try of the other two serums that I have already shown you, and it's priced at rupees 399 for 30 ml product. So it was all. And oh, the last product rating I will be give you 3 out of 5 because I really didn't see any vitamin C effect on this serum. I only saw the vitamin E effect on the serum. So that's it. That's for the video. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it and find it helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends who need to know that what are the good serums that they can get on budget. And if you're a teenager, this video is going to be a boon for you. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. If you liked the video, hit the bell icon to get the further notifications from my channel.